world of streaming music has been around for so long that it is no longer a novelty. Welcome back guys to another video of Golden Lux. And today we are here with some top 5 most streamed rappers of all time. Number 5, XXXTentacion, 20,036,928,593. XXXTentacion was an American rapper who had a net worth of $5 million at his death in June 2018. Triple X had an incredibly avid fan base that identified with his unique musical style. Sad is XXXTentacion's highest charting in the United States, peaking at number 1 on the Billboard Hot 100. He had earned a lot of income through rapping. As a previous estimate, he had around $5 million. He earned all this money with many talents like being a rapper, songwriter and actor. But its main motive was to get a reputation in the music industry that he got. Number 4, Juice WRLD, 21,132,779,183. As of January 2020, Juice WRLD's net worth is $4.5 million. He gained his wealth from being a rapper, singer and songwriter. His breakthrough came when he released his song Lucid Dreams in June 2017. Its success secured him a $3 million contract with Interscope Records. Juice WRLD introduces special limited merchandise after releasing his music video Fast. The merch line includes hoodies, beanies and caps. At the skyrocket of his career, Juice WRLD passed away on December 8, 2019 at just 21. He suffered from an unknown medical emergency upon landing at Chicago's Midway International Airport. Number 3, Kanye West, 22,986,569,935. Kanye West is an American producer, rapper, fashion designer and entrepreneur. As of this writing, Kanye West's net worth is $6.6 billion. He is one of the 3 richest self-made black people in US history. Kanye West owns around $160 million worth of real estate in the US. This estate consists of multiple connected parcels, the first of which was acquired in 2014 in 2 separate transactions for $23 million. He is arguably the most influential musical artist of the last several decades. Number 2, Eminem, 27,963,126,637. Eminem's net worth is estimated at $230 million. This makes him one of the richest rappers globally next to Dr. Dre, Sean Combs, Jay-Z and more. Eminem, aka Marshall Mathers, aka Slim Shady, is an American rapper originally from Missouri. The most watched video by Eminem, and this video is tied to one of the most popular songs of the 2010s, Love the Way You Lie, featuring Rihanna. He purchased one of his homes for $2 million. He is a big fan of cars as well. We begin with the Porsche Carrera GT with its price of $448,000. Marshall Mathers is one of the most successful hip-hop artists in history and one of the 20 richest rappers worldwide. Number 1, Drake, 46,126,429,917. As of 2022, Drake's net worth is estimated to be roughly $180 million, making him one of the richest rappers in the world. And he's currently signed to Lil Wayne's company, Young Money Entertainment. When you hear Hotline Bling, you instantly think of Drake. The fact that it's reached almost 2 billion views on YouTube proves that. His money is mostly spent on real estate. Drake bought a $7.7 million mansion in Hidden Hills, California. Drake has released multiple albums, sold millions of copies and gained an incredible net worth. He is one of the most successful hip-hop artists worldwide. Well, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this every week. Till then, stay tuned.